Good morning, class 12. So today the unit which I'm going to start, that is organic compound containing nitrogen, right? So as I'm going to start with this unit, so first of all, we must know, actually, as it is an organic compound containing nitrogen, so it include the main part, that is amines. Okay, that is also known as amines. So here we will discuss about amines. Cyano, that is a carbon with nitrogen, and the last one will be diazonium compounds. Okay, that we are going to discuss today. But as according to the syllabus of 2020, right? So this is deducted from the syllabus, diazonium compound, as according to this pandemic. Okay, the syllabus is reduced, so this is deducted. The rest we are going to discuss in this unit, right? So the part 1 is amines. So first of all, my question here is what are amines? Amines क्या होते हैं? Amines क्या होते हैं? Okay, these are the derivative of ammonia. Okay, these are the derivative of ammonia. That means what? When we are having ammonia, when any of the hydrogen of ammonia that is replaced by, okay, that is replaced by alkyl or aryl. Alkyl means we are talking about R group, aryl means AR, that means benzene. Any of the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl or aryl group, then that is known to be amine. Those are the derivative of ammonia which are made from ammonia, but here the whole thing is not ammonia, that is a derivative. Okay, so as we know, ammonia is NH3. So what are the derivatives of ammonia? That will be RNH, right? 2, okay, R2NH and R3N. So you can see here, this is which degree? 1 degree, this is 2 degree, and this is 3 degree. Amines, right? These all are what? These are amines. So you can see here that the how I have decided the 1 degree 2 degree, as we are deciding in carbon, same we are deciding in nitrogen. Okay, so as you can see here, the nitrogen is bonded to 2 hydrogen and 1 alkyl group, so accordingly this is a 1 degree. Okay, if it is bonded to 2 alkyl group 1 hydrogen, it is a 2 degree. When it is bonded to all the 3 alkyl groups, then it is 3 degree. Okay, so these are the derivatives of nitrogen. Okay, so now we can classify. Okay, we are going to classify amines. Next is the classification of amines. So जब हम बात करते हैं amines की classification की, ठीक है, so amines जो होते हैं, these are classified into two types. Okay, the one are aliphatic, एक होते हैं aliphatic, another one होते हैं what? The second one क्या होंगे? आपको नाम से याद होगा, aromatic. Aliphatic amine. Aliphatic amine कौन से होते हैं? Which contain what? Alkyl group. Which contain alkyl group. Aromatic, these will contain what? Aryl group. Okay, that means benzene. Aliphatic में हम बात कर सकते हैं like 1 degree amine, like जैसे मैंने आपको ऊपर बात की, that is substituted by 1 alkyl group. 2 degree amine substituted by 2 alkyl group, and 3 degree amine that is substituted by 3 alkyl group. We can count that as a aliphatic amine. Those are the derivative of ammonia which where the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group, that is aliphatic. Now what about aromatic? अब aromatic क्या है? Aromatic दो types के होते हैं बेटा. One are aryl amine, another one aryl alkyl amine. अब अराइल अमाइन क्या है? अराइल अमाइन दैट मीन्स benzene with NH2. Aryl amine. द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड इज, क्या होता है, एनिलीन, एनिलीन बोलते हैं हम इसको, ठीक है। अराइल एल्काइल दैट मीन्स बेंजीन ऑल्सो, ये सही नहीं बना बेंजीन, ठीक है, ध्यान से बनाना, लाइक सो दिस इज बेंजीन। अब इसके साथ क्या है, एल्काइल ग्रुप भी अटैच्ड है, फिर जाके NH2 अटैच्ड है। सो दिस इज व्हाट, दिस इज अ अराइल एल्काइल अमीन दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द एरोमेटिक अमीन, बट यू कैन सी हियर द NH2 group that is attached to the substituent that is attached with the alkyl aryl group, sorry, okay. So this is aryl alkyl amine, and if I'll say about the name of this compound, ये चीज़ मैंने आपको पहले भी बताई है, whenever we are having benzene with CH2, according to the functional group it will be X, benzyl halide, if it will be OH, benzyl alcohol, if it is now NH2 then it will be benza amine, you can say, or benzyl amine, okay. So according to this, even you can see here amine में I'm using a single M, double M नहीं है, ठीक है। सो ये हमारी क्लासिफिकेशन है अमीन की। अब बात करते हैं नॉमेनक्लेचर ऑफ अमीन्स। So the next topic we are having in the same video, that is the nomenclature of amine. So when I talk about the nomenclature, okay, मैं अमीन्स के nomenclature की बात करती हूँ। nomenclature जब हम अमीन्स में देखते हैं, that is of two type. One are common name, okay, another one will be the IUPAC naming. देखिए कॉमन नेम सबसे पहले मैं आपको समझाती हूँ। Common name are the journal names which we are using, okay, to represent the amine, okay, like the examples which I am taking. First of all, regarding common name, I am taking the examples, like you can see the first example, CH3NH2. So this CH3NH2, here you can see this is methyl, this is amine, so its common name is methyl amine, okay. I am not talking about IUPAC name, I am just talking about common name, ठीक है। नाउ नेक्स्ट वन, नेक्स्ट है हमारा एक नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल है, मैं ले रही हूँ CH3CH2NH2, सो दिस विल बी इथाइल amine. So you can see here what I am using the whatever the substituent is present, I am using that substituent with the amine, okay, and I am naming that compound, okay. Same you can say for the another one. Next example could be CH3CH2CH2NH2, this is what, propyl amine, okay. So these are the names of the compounds. अब हम ये तो थे हमारे, ये कितने डिग्री अमीन है देखिए, अगर मैं बात करूँ दिस इज़ अ 1 डिग्री, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो 1 डिग्री, दिस इज़ ऑल्सो 1 डिग्री, राइट। ये 1 डिग्री में हमने कॉमन नेम की बात की। नाउ द कॉमन नेम्स, अभी मैं IUPAC नहीं शुरू कर रही हूँ, मैं सिर्फ कॉमन नेम ही बात कर रही हूँ। नेक्स्ट वन है 2 डिग्री में, देखिए वी आर हैविंग CH3NH CH3, see this example. Now the question here, how will you write the common name of this compound? The name of this compound will be dimethyl amine, dimethyl amine, right. So the next example which I am going to talk here, that is C2H5NH C2H5, this is what, diethyl amine, right. So the next example, see I am taking यहाँ पे different substituent, ये तो same थे 2 डिग्री में ही, if we are having different substituent, the example next I am taking with you, that is C2H5NH CH3. So you can see here, this is what, one ethyl, one methyl, okay. So ethyl and methyl both are present. So what you will do, even writing the common name, you will use a small as a substituent and the large with the amine, okay. So the name of this compound will be small as a substituent, then it will be methyl, ये बन जाएगा। आगे क्या बनेगा, वी आर हैविंग इथाइल अमीन, राइट। सो मिथाइल इथाइल amine, okay. So like this you can write the common name of the compounds. Okay, now this is a what? This is a 2 degree. Same for 3 degree. 3 degree, whenever you are having a 3 degree amine, what you will do, like the examples which I am providing you here. This is, so what you will do, you will write tri ethyl amine because all the substituents are same. But again the question arises when the substituent would be different. Substituent different है. Like the example NCH2H5C2H5 and we are having CH2CH2CH2CH3. This is also 3 degree. अगर ये 3 degree था तो ये भी 3 degree है. So how will you write the name of this compound? आप कैसे लिखेंगे इसका नाम? So for this, how will you write the name of the compound? These are with the smaller carbon, less number of carbon, and this is with the more number of carbon, right? The substituents which are with the less number of carbon, you will use them as a prefix. Okay, इनको आगे लिखेंगे जैसे यहाँ पे लिखा था, and this is used with the nitrogen as a amine. Okay, another thing, as here यहाँ पे तो सिर्फ एक सब्सिट्यूएंट था. Here what we are having two substituents, right? So what you will do, you will use, जैसे हम जब किसी नंबरिंग करते हैं बेटा, तो जब हम नंबरिंग करते हैं यहाँ पे सपोज करो यहाँ पे एक Cl अटैच्ड है और इसी पोजीशन पे एक और Cl अटैच्ड है. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, अगर इसको 2 नंबर दिया तो हम नाम लिखते हैं 2,2 फिर हाइफन फिर लिखते हैं डाईक्लोरो. ऐसे कुछ करते थे जब हम आयोपैक नेमिंग करते हैं, कुछ ऐसा ही इसके कॉमन नेम में करना है. सो इट विल बी N, N आगे आएगा डाई ethyl. N means 2 times it is attached. Then it will be what? Butanamine. अब देखो मैंने, जब हमारा ब्यूटेन होता है और ये होता है अमाइन, तो ये दो वॉवल जो हैं दीज आर टुगेदर. सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल रिमूव द फर्स्ट वॉवल जो पहले आ रहा है, तो ई आर को हम रिमूव करते हैं. सो इट इज़ ब्यूटेना अमाइन. ठीक है, एन डाईइथाइल ब्यूटेना अमाइन. क्लियर है? सो these are the examples of the common names which you can use for what? For the amines. The next will be the IUPAC naming that I will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you very much.